Today I'm the awesome tutor, and today we're going to be looking at infrared radiation. Now the thing about infrared radiation is everything emits infrared radiation. Okay, I am emitting it, you are emitting it. Okay, this board is emitting it, and so on and so on and so on. Okay, but obviously they're emitting different amounts of infrared radiation, and what determines how much infrared radiation you're giving out? Well, the hotter an object, the more infrared radiation it emits. And the colder an object, the less infrared radiation it emits. Now, infrared radiation, basically, it transfers heat, okay? Like conduction, like convection, like evaporation. But this is infrared radiation. Now, the special thing about infrared radiation is that it's part of the electromagnetic spectrum, and so does not require particles to transfer heat. Here's the example of the sun, which is where we get most of our heat from. Okay, this is in the form of infrared radiation. And because space is a vacuum with no particles, infrared radiation can pass through it because it does not require particles to transfer energy. Conduction will not work, convection will not work, evaporation will not work because they require particles. Infrared radiation is transfer of heat, but does not require any particles. I'm going to give you another example of uses of infrared radiation. Okay, so here we have a horse and a person. Now, as you can see, the horse, most of it is brightly colored with orange and red and blah 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 blah. So obviously this means that the horse is emitting a lot of infrared radiation because obviously it has an internal body temperature, and so it is emitting infrared radiation as heat from its body. Now its hair, obviously, on its neck or its tail, they are not emitting as much because obviously they have a lower temperature. They're not emitting as much infrared radiation because they're colder than the actual internal body of the horse. Now the man, as you can see, you have infrared radiation emitted from the face and the arms, but the areas which are covered with clothes, less so. And this is probably due to the fact that he's probably wearing light-colored clothing, because light-colored surfaces are the worst emitters and absorbers of infrared radiation. Now, different surfaces have different qualities which allow them to emit or absorb different amounts of infrared radiation. So dark matte surfaces, matte just means not shiny, they are the best emitters of infrared radiation and the best absorbers of infrared radiation. So if you go outside on a hot day wearing a black t-shirt, you will feel hotter than if you wore a white t-shirt. Now light shiny surfaces is the opposite. They are the worst emitters of infrared radiation and the worst absorbers of infrared radiation. But they are very good at reflecting it. And that's basically all you need to know. This has been the Awesome Tutor. Bye!